Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mujaddara, also known as lentil rice. So I'm going to start off by showing you the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1.5 cups of lentils, 1.5 cups of basmati rice, half a cup of vermicelli. You're going to need 2 large onions, a little more than half a cup of olive oil, and then you're going to need 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of cumin, and a 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to be doing is rinsing out your lentils a few times until it's clean. And then you're going to add 7 cups of hot water to your lentils, and you're going to boil it for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the kind of lentils that you have. While the lentils are boiling, you're going to go ahead and rinse out your rice a few times until the water is clear, and then you're going to soak it in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. And while the rice is soaking and the lentils are boiling, we went ahead and preheated 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and you're going to fry the vermicelli until it's a golden color. And this is what it should look like once it's done. After about 12 minutes, this is what the lentils should look like. They're a little bit soft now, so now we're going to go ahead and add the rice, the vermicelli, and we're also going to be adding the 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of cumin. Once the water goes down a little bit, this is an optional step. You can add a pinch of turmeric just to give it a little bit of a color. And now we're going to mix it in and then go ahead and cover your pot and bring the heat down to medium-low heat until the rice is completely cooked. The rice is cooking, we're going to go ahead and fry one of our onions. So we went ahead and preheated half a cup of olive oil, and you're going to add 1 large diced onion and fry it until it's translucent. And this is what the onions should look like. And now we're going to go ahead and add it to our cooked rice. We're going to add it with the olive oil like this. After adding the onions and oil, you're just going to mix it in a little bit and let it cook together for a few minutes. And now this is what it should look like after a few minutes of cooking together. And now the mujaddara is ready to serve. We're just going to go ahead and fry the other onion just so we can top it off on top of the mujaddara. This is optional, but I like to add a little bit more onions on top of the mujaddara. I went ahead and plated my mujaddara. I topped it off with the fried onions and a little bit of parsley, and now it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.